Hello, this is David Everest, Keeper of the Republic at yahoo.com. Uh, and this is for Twin Cedar Mining District, a local government. I have an order here for a notice to go in front of the full circuit, for a motion to go in front of the full circuit U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit. This is unsigned, but it says before Schroeder Thomas and N.R. Smith, Circuit Court judges, have reviewed and demonstrated that the court lacks jurisdiction over the appeals order of the challenge is final and not appropriate. And then it gives some case. The dismissal of the complaint will lead to amending it and apparent consequences. Appeal dismissal for the lack of jurisdiction and pending motions are denied, dismissed. Uh, well, they have exclusive jurisdiction. These two judges are morons. And I say it, they're part of the public private partnership, and they're now in a constructive trust. And I will be appealing this to the U.S. Supreme Court, as this court has exclusive jurisdiction, and the review is bogus because they didn't follow the law. And I'm going to, as a local government, I'm now adding them in as defendants in a constructive trust of fraud and breach of the fiduciary duties. But that'll come later. Uh, and then I got, by the way, this is an unsigned order by that. Now, I have the same order in front of the Ninth Circuit, unsigned by the two judges. And the appeal for dismissal of lack of jurisdiction. Now, this is, I don't understand these orders because they're not explained, and they're one page each. One's from the Ninth Circuit, and it says dismissal, complaint, leave to amend is not available. Consequences of this appeal is dismissal for lack of jurisdiction, and that's the Ninth Circuit, but it's decided by the circuit court judges. So I'm assuming this is just a exact copy of this, and but it's not for the Ninth Circuit. I don't know. I have to get clarification from that. So I'm filing a motion. I'm going to file a notice of appeal to the United States Supreme Court that the U.S. District Court of Appeals has exclusive jurisdiction, and all I'm asking them to do is appoint the Inspector General as trustee to defend the grant, and they're afraid to do that because see. It would end the Forest Service, and it would put the Department of Interior in a constructive trust of fraud, and it would end their jurisdiction. It would end that them having a lawyer because the Inspector General would have to do it. So I'll be posting this. Keeper of the Republic, Twin Cedar Mining District, local government. By the way, to these two judges, this is coming back under coordination from Attorney Wally Hicks when he takes office in January for government to government coordination and the coordinating issue is to coordinate a constructive trust and to appoint the trustee to the mineral grant. By the way, he agrees with me, and since the sheriff will be involved, there may be arrest coming this way if I can get the sheriff to do it. Sheriff Gilbertson, a constitutional attorney, chief law enforcement. He has the authority to reinstate me to my government and tell the federal government, if they arrest me, they'll arrest them for kidnapping. And whether the state prosecutes him or not, he can arrest him until they go into court and not give him bail for kidnapping because it's a capital crime. Have a nice day. Oh, and since I'm a government official, it's an automatic. A capital crime. The juries don't overrule that because they kidnapped me. Have a nice day, and I'll be posting that.